Crypto World Evolution, or CWE for short, allows us to choose between three separate software trading bot packages. The Trade package is geared for someone who wants to be more of an active trader. Maybe they're new to trading, but they want to learn how to pick coins, how to set prices. And for $500, you can purchase the Trade package and start learning how to actively trade in the cryptocurrency market. For someone who's more busy and doesn't have a lot of time to learn how to trade, or doesn't want to sit in front of a computer and pick coins and prices, the Win package for $1,000 is a great option for the busy individual. Then we have the Pro package. This is the best of both worlds. For $2,000, we can choose between the most aggressive active trading package that CWE offers, the Trade 8, or the most time-efficient package for busy people, the Win 8. Let's break down each of these packages one by one, starting with the Trade package. The CWE Trade package for $500 gives us access to two of the active trading platforms that CWE offers, the Hybrid and the HPSI platforms. We can trade up to $2,500 at any time in either of these platforms, or combine the total between the two. The Hybrid software platform factors in our judgment and our decision-making process. We do the buying, and the Hybrid bot will do the selling on our behalf. It'll carry out trades according to our instructions. What coin would we like it to purchase? What's the price we would like the bot to make the purchase at? We can set stop losses and stop profit percentages as well. This bot is great for beginners that don't know how to read charts and want to use professional recommendations called signals. And certainly intermediate and expert traders can thrive with the Hybrid bot as well. It'll adjust the sell price depending on market conditions to help maximize profits. Expert traders really enjoy the Hybrid bots because they can set up a trade with any coin at whatever price they want before they leave the house in the morning, for example, then head out for the day, and the bot will do the rest of the work for them. Instead of spending hours being tethered to a computer watching market conditions change, the bot will allow you to sell at peak price, and it's completely automated. This gives us the most control out of all the CWE trading bots that they offer, and it is certainly one of the most lucrative if you're utilizing it in the right way. The HPSI bots trade Bitcoin and all of the altcoins that are listed on an exchange like Binance or Bittrex. It will start by automatically choosing 15 popular altcoins, which can be changed at any time, and you can choose whatever coins you want the bot to trade with as long as they are listed on the exchange. Beginners are encouraged to learn a little bit more before they start trading in and out of coins, but certainly they can learn in a short period of time with the right guidance that CWE offers. Intermediate and expert crypto traders have done extremely well by utilizing the HPSI bot software. It has a massive return potential during optimal market conditions and is one of the most aggressive trading bot platforms in the marketplace today. And there are many traders who have set up these HPSI bots that will execute thousands of positive trades in a matter of weeks. The Win package allows people who are a little more busy and don't want to necessarily be as active in managing their trading software. And if that sounds like you, the Winning package will allow you to trade 5 win-win bots that each utilize 0.175 Bitcoin, or you can use one of the win-win bots which utilizes 1 full Bitcoin. You can get a 1-year license for $1,000, and the Win-Win software itself trades between BTC and several of the other more popular altcoins. It's suitable for all traders with or without experience, and it micro trades so it won't use the full amount, whether it's the 0.175 Bitcoin, or if you open a Win 2.0 that uses 1 full Bitcoin, it micro trades with those amounts, and so it's not going to use the full amount on every transaction. This bot is probably the easiest to set up and manage, and especially for people who are busy and have a lot of things going on and don't see themselves sitting in front of a computer actively trading, but they would still love to participate in the cryptocurrency trading marketplace and multiply their earnings. The next package is the Pro package, and it really is the best of both worlds. You can choose between two of the most popular packages that CWE offers, with one of those being the Trade 8. This is for the active traders who really want to learn how to trade at a high level. Or maybe you're already a skilled trader and you're really just looking for software that assists you in increasing your profits. This Trade 8 platform allows you to trade with all three of the CWE platforms, the hybrid, the HPSI, and the win-win bots. And for the $2,000 cost, we can trade up to $10,000 at one time in the marketplace. Like all of CWE platforms, the license lasts 365 days, and we can upgrade to trade up to $500,000 at one time. And if you want to be a little more efficient with your time, then the Win8 platform might be the right one for you. The Win8 platform for $2,000 allows us to trade 11 of the win-win bots at one time, utilizing 0.175 Bitcoin each, or you can turn on two win-win 2 bots that utilize 1 full Bitcoin each. And again, we can upgrade to add additional win-win bots. The best thing about CWE is whether you're a beginner and this is the first time you are looking at trading in the cryptocurrency marketplace, or you're an expert trader and you've been trading for years, we know that CWE has a software package that will meet your needs and help you increase the amount of Bitcoin in your personal exchange. If you want to learn more about CWE and how to get your own crypto trading bot, click on the link below to access our private community of crypto traders. Or depending on where you're watching this, get back to the person who sent you this information. In our community, we have people who've been professional traders for years, and there are those who have absolutely no experience in trading, but understand the importance of growing their Bitcoin safely and consistently, and the bot gives them the leverage to be successful no matter their experience level. Whatever level you're at, CWE has a bot for you.